11 AI side hustles to start, full step-by-step guide. Right now, people are making money with AI in ways that did not even exist a year ago. And the crazy part, most of these side hustles doesn't require coding. They don't even require experience or even a big budget. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through 11 realistic AI side hustles that you can start in 2026 step by step. Now, this isn't one of those vague make money online videos. I'm going to be breaking down each side hustle, explain how it exactly works, and how you can start and what you should actually expect. Now, some of these can make your first $100 while others can scale into actual businesses. So, the first and foremost thing, AI content writing services. All right. So, you're probably wondering, how will I do and make money through AI content writing? Trust me, it's pretty simple. Now, AI content writing services is something that you can find many places. You can find it on Fiverr, Gravity Write, you have CMO, a lot of great websites, even on Upwork. Now, one of the easiest way to start is by offering this service. Businesses constantly need big blog posts, they need big product descriptions and scripts, but they don't want to spend hours writing them. So that is where you're going to come in. You can use AI tools to generate drafts, then actually refine them into high quality content. The key here is not to just copy paste, add structure, fix tone, and make it human. You can start by offering services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or reaching out to small businesses. Even one client paying monthly can turn this into a steady income stream. Now, some great softwares that you can use for this type of work is Typefully, Writer, Grammarly, Text Broker, or even Fiverr. But obviously, the best out of all of them would be ChatGPT, and it would be a big plus point if you can upgrade it to the plus plan. Okay, so these are things that actually scale you up. Then we move over to the second AI side hustle that you can actually go with, and that is going to be Faceless YouTube channels. Now, Faceless YouTube channels is a creative niche, all right? This is one of the most scalable side hustles right now. You don't need to show your face. You can use AI for script writing, voiceovers, and even video creations. So, what you can do is you can pick a niche like finance, tech, maybe storytelling, study with me sessions, quiz games, gardening and plant care, and all of these. Once you've picked them, you can start uploading consistently. The first few videos might not perform well, but once it hits, it can bring in passive income through ads and affiliates. Consistently beats perfection here. And how you can actually work this up for yourself? First of all, go to ChatGPT, write a script for yourself. You can simply tell it that I run a faceless YouTube channel, and let's say I want you to write me a script for a video. Let's say the video is top 10 wonders of the world. All right. Let's say I'm going to go with this. So I can feed it to 11 labs. Now, bear with me. This is something that will make sense later on. So you're going to add this. And once you've gotten this whole script, you're going to move over to 11 labs. And now you have a script and a voiceover, because 11 labs will allow you to turn your text into speech. And once you have your speech, you can go ahead and create a video through CapCut and you're good to go. So that's how you can work on a faceless YouTube channel. The third thing, or this third AI side hustle, would be AI graphic design. Now, AI graphic design is a very good field to work in. AI has made designs faster, but not useless. People will still need logos, they will still need thumbnails and social media posts. They also go forward for branding, and you can make AI tools create and generate ideas and then redefine them into polished designs. You can start by offering services like YouTube thumbnails or Instagram posts. These are in high demand and relatively easy to produce once you get the hang of it. And to create this, you can use softwares like Canvas, Magic Design, Figma, or even use proper AI tools like ChatGPT, or better yet, you can go with Grok. Moving on to the fourth AI side hustle would be AI powered dropshipping. Yes, you heard me right. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is the form of choosing products from some other vendor and selling it on your store. Dropshipping is not dead, it just evolved. Now, you can use AI to find winning products, write product descriptions, and even generate ad creatives. Now, the key is going to be speed. Test multiple products quickly instead of betting everything on one. You can use TikTok and social media to validate the products, then build a simple store and start testing your ads. All right. And you can do this easily by going over to any AI powered drop shipping service like High Level. Then we have Drop Excel. You can also move over to Shopify, which is totally AI based now, and work along with those. Moving on, we move over to the fifth side hustle, which is AI voice over services. All right. Now, there's a big market for voiceovers on Upwork and Fiverr. Now, the reason for that is because they might need you for some advertisement, they might need you for some type of class, or the bigger thing that nowadays is that they're teaching their AI chatbots, all right? And to teach their AI chatbots, they need someone to talk in that language, and obviously that someone could be you. So not everyone wants to record their own voice, and that is an opportunity. AI voice tools can generate realistic voiceovers for videos, ads, and audiobooks. You can offer this as a service to YouTubers, businesses, or even content creators. Just make sure you choose the voice that sounds natural and adjusts pacing. And obviously, for this, I would say the best product that you can use is one that I've already mentioned in this video, and that is going to be 11 Labs. Because 11 Labs scours in this field, gives you great voice generation and pretty seamless voice generation. It doesn't really take you a lot of time to work with. So that is something that you're going to want to keep in mind. Moving on to the number 6 spot would be AI digital products and selling them. If you don't know what AI digital products are, AI digital products are going to be, websites, PDFs, digital planners, etc. And you can create this pretty easily through Canva or maybe ChatGPT, Grok, all of these great platforms. All right. And a very good platform that you can create it on is going to be Teachify. And that is some place where you can work on it pretty incredibly. And where can you sell them? You can sell them right on Etsy. Go over to Etsy's marketplace, and in Etsy's marketplace, you can find a lot of digital products. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write digital planner. All right. So if we go ahead and write digital planner, you can see there are tons and tons of digital planners going for up to $18, which is a lot of money, if you ask me, for just a planner that you created by the warmth of your very own home. Isn't that incredible? And moving on, there's more digital products like a digital poster. And you can go over ahead and get all of these digital art. Pretty incredible. Moving on, we go over to the 7th spot on this list, and that is going to be AI chatbot setup for business. Now, AI chatbot is something that is scouring in today's business and enterprise world. All right. And you can use this to scale yourself up pretty incredibly. So use products like GPT or use AI to deep seek a chatbot and make yourself some AI powered business runners. Moving over to the 8th spot on the list, we have social media automation. Again, something that is very buzzing in nowadays world. People want their socials to be automized because that obviously makes life easier for them, and that is something you can do for them through AI. There's different AIs out there like SocialBee, Sendable, Content Studio, and Pally, which you can use. Moving over to the 9th spot would be AI video creation services. Another great thing that you can do on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can do this through Google VO3. You can do this through other great softwares like Edimacora, Canva, Vicby, or any of these softwares to work around with. Then moving over to the 10th spot would be resume and cover letter services. All right. This is also a great work ethic to work with because it will allow you to write professional cover letters. It's a great service to provide businesses and enterprises even. And the foremost spot on this list would be AI translation and localization. It's basically to help AI adapt to other systems, and translation is to adapt to other languages. Businesses are going global and they need different content in different languages. AI can help translate content quickly, but you can refine it to sound natural. Offer these services for websites, videos, or documents through AI like GPT or any other ones. So here's the truth. Don't try all 11. Pick one, focus on it, and get your first result. Once you see momentum, then expand. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.